flame. Yeah, mountain of strength, me stand tall, Jah guide it all. Mountain of strength, high me climb through space and time. Badabim Badabum, Rastafari is stone, yeah man. Early in the morning, me rise with light. Birds, them a sing and me heart feel right. Me step outside, barefoot on the ground. Nature a guide every sacred sound. Me gather herb from the roots me grow. Me burn a chalice, me spirit flow. In a silence, me start to pray. Give thanks for life every single day. Herb and harmony, balance divine. Me soul align in Jah sunshine. Call up the ancients in a the breeze. Me feel them whispering at the trees. Herb and harmony, one meditation. In a this chant me find salvation. No rush, no fight, just breath and song. In a Jah presence me belong. Me walk through hills where me elders trod. Them teach we about the power of Jah and God. How the plant a heal and the rhythm a guide. How we no need no riches fi feel alive. Me sit by the fire with Naya bingy beat. Drum echo heart and earth beneath me feet. Me reason deep with me sister and true. Love and life is all we do. Me nah look west, me nah look east. Me look within, fi find me peace. Meditation deep like ocean tide. Me find the eye, me ego hide. Me trod slow but me vision high. Me smoke a draw and me touch the sky. Each herb leaf a ancient code. Me travel far but me heart stay home. Herb and harmony, wisdom sound. Me chant with heart till truth be found. Call of creation, voice of light. Me feel it strong in a full moon night. Urban harmony, no disguise. Just Rasta way, no Babylon lies. We not go run, we stand up firm. Each session a blessing, each moment we learn. Me children laugh, them run and play. Me teach them love in a roots man way. Me woman strong, she hold the fire. She chant and drum with righteous desire. We plant together, we reap with grace. No vanity in a the sacred space. Just music, healing, food and song. Me know in Zion, we all belong. So light your spliff and breathe real slow. Let go the stress, just let love grow. The universe hear every sound you send, and every journey have a holy end. Urban harmony, life and drum. Me chant until the kingdom come. Call of the ancients, roots and sky. Me know me soul will never die. Yes, I am lion in a jungle. Me wake up to the sound of breeze. Birds are sing and me heart at ease. She beside me, wrapped in sheet. Sunlight kiss, her skin so sweet. Me roll a spliff, me give her half. We laugh and float in herbal path. No stress, no fight, just pure align. Me feel Jah love in she and time. Herbs and harmony guide we flow. In a this life, we move real slow. Ganja burn, mind get free. One heart, one soul, you and me. Herbs and harmony, deep like sea. Roots connection, eternally. Every draw, a sacred breath. We live in love, we not fear death. Me not chase Babylon, illusion. Me find joy in natural fusion. Me queen dance with breeze and fire. She lift me up, she take me higher. She plant the herbs, me sing this song. Together we build where we belong. Coconut juice, hammock swing. Bird them chant and love them bring. Under moonlight me see her glow. She move like river, pure and slow. Incense burn, meditation start. She read me soul like sacred art. No judge, no mask, no pretense. Just honest vibes in her presence. When world get loud, she calm my mind. With one soft word, me realign. Herbs and harmony, sweet and true. Jah provide the love in you. Me no need no gold, no fame. Me call her love, but her soul got name. Herbs and harmony, balance light. We hold each other through the night. Storm may come, system may test, but we hold firm and still feel blessed. Me reason with me queen both life. She say me nah born just Phoebe wife. Me warrior too, me spirit free. Me hold the earth in a me tree. She teach me how fi blend the root, how every plant and word is truth. She dance round fire, I so wise. Me see the universe in she eyes. So like the chalice, hold me hand. We walk together on sacred land. No rush, no race, just this one song. With herbs and harmony, we belong. Me whisper thanks to Jah above, for one like she, an endless love. We not just live, we elevate. Through herbs and harmony, we levitate.
Seal my rastas,
Me stone and sweat ka by me side, ya man. Me see her walk through the fire and smoke. She smile like sun, but she nah no joke. Locks flowing, eyes them deep. She hold the wisdom you can't fake or keep. Inna the city, full of haste, but she move with royal grace. Sandal pan foot, staff in her hand. She walk like queen through concrete land. Me step to her, heart a beat. Me say, sister, you bring light to the street. She laugh and say, me no look fi fling, me look fi king who chant and sing. Rasta love in a Babylon, still burn like sacred song. She and I in sync and strong. Two soul fight for right, now wrong. We rise like fire in a storm, holding tight when night get warm. True love, roots connection. Rasta love in a Babylon. We sit on rooftop, herbs ablaze. Talk about life, give Jah praise. She teach me about patience and faith. Me show her how to chant and wait. We nah rush, nah need no ring, just truth and rhythm, everything. When the system try, split the vibe, we meditate and realign. She whisper words, them ancient deep, about river stars and people weep. She not just pretty, she divine. In our soul, Zion sign. We walk hand in hand through dirty lane, but clean in spirit, pure like rain. She say, Babylon can't break with chain. If love remain, we sustain. Rasta love in a Babylon, still burn like sacred song. She and I in sync and strong. Two soul fight for right, not wrong. We rise like fire in a storm, holding tight when night get warm. True love, roots connection. Rasta love in a Babylon. Me write her name in smoke and star. Tell Jah thank you for who you are. No Gucci thing, no flashy life. She is queen, me empress, me wife. Them a watch and wonder how to Rasta still hold vow. While world a crumble round the way, we hold hands and start fi pray. Me remember when me used to roam. Now she make me heart feel like home. She feed me soul, me give her tune. We rise like sun, we bless like moon. The world still cold, still rude, but we move with righteous mood. A Babylon could never stop this rebel love from reach the top. When me weak, she strong like stone. She chant Jah live, me nah alone. And when she cry, me wipe her tears. Say queen we higher than them fears. Rasta love in a Babylon, true light that carry on. Me empress, me backbone. Together we build Zion throne. Me reason, me melody. She keep me steady like prophecy. No fiction, just devotion. Rasta love in a Babylon. In the heart of confusion, we still find the fusion of love, of roots, of soul, and that make the Rasta old. Sealer, sealer.
chant in time. Me born fi chant rebellion clean, no mean. Roots rebel in a Babylon night, hold tight. Drum beat take go through, me soul take control. Rebel heart, Rasta sound, shake the ground. Them system love control and gain, cause pain. But me stand firm, me nah bend till the end. Me chant truth in a every song, right from wrong. Them can't catch body, not me mind, love refined. Me see you them fight for bread, tear shed. Me tell them all faith stay true, just see you. No weapon stronger than heart pure, that's sure. Roots rebel rise from dust, trust and justice. Jams. Roots rebel stand tall, break the wall, leak Johns. Roots rebel speak truth clear, no fear. Me chant in a market square, freedom here. Me see people dance again, lose them pain. Roots music heal every scar, near and far. Me beat me drum for the poor, open door. Them call me dream, I mean no care. Me aware, me walk the path my ancestors trod. One God, rebel heart no bow to lies. Truth rise, roots rebel live and learn. Fire burn, every generation born again, free from chain. Me hear the drum of resistance, persistence. Rasta teach love, not war, reach afar. John, Rick John. Roots rebel stand tall, break the wall, leak John. Roots rebel speak truth clear, no fear. Roots rebel sing the song, right from wrong, read chant. Roots rebel Jah design, so divine.
Stay true. Me see them sprint and trip and fall, while me pace slow, standing tall. Every delay sharpen me sight, teach me wrong from right. Me learn fire cook bless slow, same way wisdom grow. Pressure shape me in a frame, hard days forge my name. Flashy road, me carry light and load. What slow bill not crack easy, it's steady. Slow burn wisdom, calm and deep. Lessons me keep. Slow burn wisdom, warm and sure, strong and pure. Slow burn wisdom, me listen more, me talk less. Silent sharp consciousness. Every elder word me store. Knowledge piled, not lore. Me know re destiny. The it walk to me. Time reveal what brush conceal. So truth always real. Me trust the process Jah design. Step by line, from ember glow to steady flame. Different speed, say slow burn wisdom. Guide me way, night and day. Slow burn wisdom, firm and bright. Beside, so can move calm, me move wise under just sky. Slow fire blaze within my chest. Time to be rest. Time to be rest.
Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Oh, in the quiet early dawn, the mountain breeze a soft tune. Clouds drift slow like ancient tales, guiding the soul to rise soon. Me close me eyes, me feel the peace. The heartbeat blend with morning air. A meditation through nature's voice, healing the mind from every care. Stone pathways echo memories old. Footsteps mix with timeless sound. Songs from elders whisper low, carried by the earth around. Me walk along the winding trail, spirit calm like river flow. Every leaf a sacred sign, teaching truth we need to know. The hillside glow with golden shine, sunlight paint a mystic view. Cedar scent a kiss me face, turning thought for something new. Me feel the universe align, every breath a cosmic link. Through the presence of the land, me find more clarity if you think. Whisper of the hills, guide me way. Show me strength through night and day. Carry me when times get rough. Hold me heart when life feels tough. Whisper of the hills, keep me strong. Teach me where my soul belong. Nature song, I lift me high. Bless me path beneath the sky. Me hear the wind craft melody sweet, storytelling in its tone. Voices ancient rise again, proving we never walk alone. The horizon stretch out wide, full of promise, full of grace. Every moment build me up, steady in me inner place. Down below the valley bloom, colored waves of living art. Birds move soft like floating dreams, soothing even troubled heart. The world may shift but here me find stillness woven deep and true. A sanctuary untouched by noise, where my spirit start to know. Hold the breath, feel the breeze, calm the mind, find the ease. Let the mountain guard your light, keep your vision shining bright. Every echo, every tone, strengthen you from flesh to bone. Whisper of the hills, guide me way. Show me strength through night and day. Carry me when times get rough. Hold me heart when life feels tough. Whisper of the hills, keep me strong. Teach me where my soul belong. Nature song, I lift me high. Bless me path, feel lift the sky. So when the world feel heavy still, remember the hillside call. Let the calmness wrap your soul, lifting burdens big and small. In this silence of the land. You find the truth you seek inside. Whisper of the hills remain, always here for be your guide.
No, 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 no. Morning light kiss the mountain top. Rain a drop, never stop. Me wake and stretch, inhale Jah breeze. Mind at ease, bird them sing a holy song. Life belong, rise and shine. Me spirit glow, time fi grow. Me walk through the mist of doubt, me find me route. Jah whisper softly na me ear, love conquer fear. Them try fi chain, me soul in vain. Me break every chain, me lift me head, me trod with grace. Hope in place. Oh, Babylon, pressure heavy on me back, but me never lack. Every struggle teach me fight, light through night. Me no envy, me no boast, Jah guide me most. Me hold the balance, truth and peace, faith increase. Rise and shine, me people strong. Right from wrong, rise and shine. No turn away, new day. Oh, me see the youth, them start fi move. Find them groove. No more violence, no more hate, change the state. Me see the mothers pray again, end the pain. Rastafari blaze inside, love as guide. Oh, me climb the hill, me reach the peak. Spirit speak, the light so warm, me feel reborn. New dawn, me chant the psalm from deep within. Clean from sin, rise and shine, me soul rejoice. Hear me voice. Oh, no shadow can cover Jah sun. Victory won, every tear become a seed. Blessed deed, me walk with courage. Heart so true, true and true. Oh, rise and shine, me people strong. Right from wrong, rise and shine, no turn away, new day. Oh, rise and shine, spread the light. In the night, rise and shine. One love call, stand tall. Oh, so when the world feel dark and cold, stay bold. Rise and shine forever bright, Jah light.
Badabum badabum. Solo. Badabum badabum. Badabum badabum. Soft waves greet me thoughts, washing me mind cool. Me inhale the quiet energy rising from the water. River glide gentle, teaching patience with every ripple. Me sit on the bank, absorbing the peaceful motion. Storms may come, but calm return. Stronger each time, me reflect on me path, giving thanks for growth. Shadows drift across the surface, slow and steady. Me see me own reflection, changing day by day. Lessons settle like stones, firm beneath the flow. Me embrace the season of clarity and renewal.
River of calm flow, soothe me restless mind. Guide me like moonlight, gentle and kind. River of calm flow, carry peace within. Show me the beauty beneath the din. Me watch fisherman cast net with humble patience. Life moves simple when heart understand rhythm. Every catch a blessing, every fail a teacher. Balance come natural when we trust the process. Trees sway soft, sharing wisdom through branches. Roots hold strong while leaves dance freely. Me take inspiration from the harmony present. Me walk away renewed with deeper focus. Let go the weight, let go the haste. Flow with purpose, move with grace. River of calm flow, soothe me restless mind. Guide me like moonlight, gentle and kind. River of calm flow, carry peace within. Show me the beauty beneath the din. Badabum badabum, badabum badabum. Badabum badabum.
Aye, aye, aye. Roll a spliff with bamboo paper, ya pat. Yeah, man. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Me open me window, morning glow. Jah light start for show. Every color in the sky remind me why no darkness can invade. Jah light never fade. Me see confusion every day. People lost them way, but me keep me vision clear. Jah always near. Them promise power, promise gold, but soul grow cold. Me choose the humble trade. Jah light never fade. Yeah, 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 yeah. Me walk through the market crowd, hear the cry loud, but me smile still stay. Hope find a way. No silver, no diamond ring can change the song me sing. Love and truth me blade. Jah light never fade. Jah light never fade. Shine strong, guide me right the wrong. From dawn till the twilight shade. Jah light never fade. Jah light never fade. Hold on, even when the night long. Every soul we pray, see brighter day. Me mother say, keep the faith true. Jah walk with you, so me move in grace and peace. Let the burden cease. The wind carry prayer high. Answer come nigh. Me no worry, me no trade. Jah light never fade. Elder sit on the stone, say Jah rule alone. Me kneel, me reason, me understand. Life in Jah hand, no shadow block me way. Sunrise every day, every heart unafraid. Jah light never fade. Even when the thunder roll, Jah comfort me soul. From desert sand to ocean tide, Jah spirit inside. Hold the faith, no let it go. Light forever glow. Jah light never fade, shine strong. Guide me right the wrong. From dawn till the twilight shade. Jah light never fade. Jah light never fade. Hold on, even when the night long. Every soul we pray, see brighter day. Yeah, 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 yeah. Jah light blaze, truth prevail. Love set the sail through storm and shade. Jah light never fade. Me close me eyes and rest. Jah bless the quest, forever unafraid. Jah light never fade. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Ay, ay, ay. Oy. Ay, ay. The river wake before the sun, rolling deep with ancient grace. Water sparkle like living gems, dancing soft in sacred space. Me sit on the river bank warm, feeling time just drift away. Nature hold me gently close, bringing balance to me day. The Riverstone cool and smooth, shaped by journeys long and wide. Every corner mark a tale, carried through the timeless tide. Me dip me hand in the waves, sense the rhythm of the stream. Life remind me what it teach, nothing constant as it seem. Me watch the water curl and spin, carving stories through the sand. Every ripple speak of hope, traveling across the land. A harmony of crash and calm, blending strong with peaceful flow, showing how true strength can be soft, just like river currents go. Riverstone, echo flow, guide the heart and help it grow. Carry burdens down the line, wash them clean in humble shine. Riverstone, echo deep, secrets that the water keep. Hear the message as it glide, wisdom moving with the tide. The river play a gentle song, tapping beats and roots and logs, calling creatures small and large, turtles, fishes, birds and frogs. Me feel connected to it all, like the river speak me name, telling me to trust the path. Even when life twists the game, further down the water widen, greeting banks with mighty sweep, reflecting light from skies above. Resting moments calm and deep, the river teach me patience slow, show me how to bend not break. Every flow a sacred move, every shift a chance for wake. Let the water guide your mind, leave the heavy things behind. Let the current free your soul, help you find your highest role. River wisdom never lie, truth reflected in the sky. Riverstone, echo flow, guide the heart and help it grow. Carry burdens down the line, wash them clean in humble shine. Riverstone, echo deep, secrets that the water keep. Hear the message as it glide, wisdom moving with the tide. So when trouble clouds your view, walk to where the river run. Let the flow restore your peace, shining bright like morning sun. Riverstone, echo call, follow gently where it lead. In the water's endless voice, you find everything you need. Ah.
Ay, 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 ay. My Rastafaris, Jah bless the world. Me rise up early, sun in me eye. Me hear Jah whisper from the sky.
Them say go slow, but me can't wait. The fire in me roots, nah hesitate. Babylon build walls round with soul, but me say love break every control. Them say follow the dollar, me say no. Me follow the river, me let it flow. Me granny say, youth mind your way, but me say granny, the system stray. Me nah fit in a the rat race. Me say truth live in a Jah face. Them want silence, me say vice. Them want fear, me say choice. Me say rebel heart, me say flame. Me chant freedom in a Jah name. Fire in a roots, me say blaze. Through the darkness, through the maze. Babylon crumble, we stand tall. Jah soldiers never fall. Fire in a roots, me say rise. Like this city, like these skies. Me say unity, me say sound. Jah music shake the ground. Them put cameras on me street. Them say me dangerous cause me speak. But me lyrics nah bend, nah break. Me say rebel love, nah fake. Me say chant down every chain. Me say dance inna the rain. Me say uplift me brother, me say heal. Me say freedom song real. Me say no machine can kill soul. Me say no wall can block gold. Me say from Kingston to Berlin, rebel voice still ring. Them say me too loud, me say louder. Them say me too proud, me say prouder. Me say Jah guide every step. Me say me nah have no regret. Listen now, can you hear it clear? The sound of freedom draw near. Me say march pon the street with drum. Me say Babylon time done. Me say heart over weapon. Me say truth over deception. Me say one love inna the crowd. Me say chant it strong, chant it loud. Fire in our roots, me say blaze. Through the darkness, through the maze. Babylon crumble, we stand tall. Just soldiers never fall. Fire in our roots, me say rise. Like this city, like the skies. Me say unity, me say sound. Jah music shake the ground. Me say from Africa plain to Caribbean sea, the rebel song set we free. Me say no chain palm me mind. Me say leave Babylon behind. Me say children dance, elders smile. Me say walk free every mile. Me say no more war for oil. Me say plant seed in a soil. Me say turn up the sound system. Me say rebel music wisdom. Me say heal the wound with vibe. Me say live free, me say thrive. So me walk with fire in a me step. Me say love is all me rep. Me say roots deep in the ground. Me say hear it now, rebel sound.
Aye, 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 aye. Radio hum, needle drop, old tune play, time just stop. Bassline heavy, drum talk clear, ancient frequency in the ear. This song older than the streets, older than them concrete beats. From yard to yard, from land to sea, roots vibration follow me. No auto-tune, no shiny light, just soul sweat and testify. Every chord got history, being turned into melody. Me see your music change them ways. Fast food sound for empty days, but roots now rush. Roots not fake, it bend but not break. Me hear a message in a bass, truth hidden in the space. If you listen more than you speak, you find strength in a me. All roots frequency, tune me soul. Make broken spirit whole. All roots frequency, deep and wide. Keep me steady inside. Me smoke one draw and drop the needle. Sound hit hard but still peaceful. Lyrics rough but hard, still warm like shelter in a storm. Me see the past, me see the no. See what change and what allow. Roots remind me who me be before they worry near me. Me play it loud, me play it low. Befriend meaning every goal. See a song it different mind, depend on what you bring inside. Roots not judge, roots just show what you ready for know. More truth last not long. When fashion gone and decay. Oh, root frequency, tune me song. Make broken spirit all. Oh, root frequency, deep and wide. Keep me steady inside. When the last record spin slow, the lessons still echo. All roots frequency remain. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Meditation deep in the jungle, yeah man. Early morning light creep through me window. Birds are sing sweet hymns in the meadow. Me stretch me arms to the rising sun. Another day fi chant, another day begun. Me plant me foot on sacred earth. Me know Jah love from even birth. Me give thanks for the breeze and tree. Me give thanks for the life in me. Me light me chalice, me sip me tea. Me mind clear like Caribbean Sea. Me no run down hype nor goal. Me walk the path them ancient stole. One love still lives in each breath we take. Even in a system that try to fake. Roots still grow and hearts still beat. Truth still walk down Zion Street. One love still lives through drum and bass. In a Rasta chant and Jah embrace. From Kingston town to Mount Zion Hill, the fire still burn and always will. Me remember me youth and them reggae nights. The rhythm and a kind of full moonlight. Me father play vinyl and close him eye. Bob voice echo, no woman no cry. Me hold them words like sacred prayer. Them carry me soul through worldly fear. Me nah need fame nor diamond chain. Just a little spliff and roots again. Me walk the road with humble pride. Me link with nature, Jah by me side. From waterfall to highest pine, me feel the universe align. One love still lives like fire in a breeze. Blow through leaves and whisper peace. Me see it shine in every face. Me feel it deep in drum beat.
no more war. Just sound systems under star. Elders tell story, youths them learn. Fire burn bright, but now fi burn. Me vision clear, a village wall, where man and woman live in soul. Me hear Naya Bingi in a breeze. Me see just smile between the trees. Me share me fruit, me share me bread. Me bless the table where all get fed. Me no judge man by rank or race. Me only look upon art and grace. So me chant, rise up, oh children true. The world await, delight in you. Smoke your herb, but open your mind. Look inside, your heart will find. One love still lives. Now me close me eye, me see the flame, it never die, it just change name. Sometimes Bob, sometimes Jah, sometimes me brethren from far, but always love, deep and wide, it guide me steps, it walk beside. So if you're lost or full of fight, play this tune in the night and feel it rise from soul to sky, cause one love still lives, it never die.
Early morning light peeks through the hills. Rasta rise with the lion's will. Steam rising from the chalice cup. Herbs of healing, we full it up. Ancient drum talk, heartbeat sound. One foot in Zion, the other on ground. We chant down fear, chant up love. Guided by Jah from above. Roots of the mountain, strong and free. Smoke in the air like mystery. Meditation under ancient trees. We chant for peace, chant for ease. No stress in this high vibration. Just ivory soul, pure levitation. Silence deep, the earth she speak, in secret she keep. Each leaf a scroll, each breeze a verse, teaching we how to lift the curse. Babylon fall in a ego and hate, but we elevate, now participate. One spliff light, the third eye open. We decode the system, truth is spoken. We no need diamond, we no need gold. The riches live where the story's told. Around the fire we reason clean. Talk about life and the space between. Rasta heart at the compass true. No clock rule what Jah man do. We flow with time like rivers bend. This roots man life, it not pretend. Of the mountain, strong and free. Smoke in the air like mystery. Meditation under ancient trees. We chant for peace, chant for ease. No stress in this high vibration. Just ivory soul, pure levitation. Children dance in a barefoot style. Elders blessed with a knowing smile. The rhythm is older than Babylon's scheme. Reggae a voice from the ancestral dream. This ain't no hype or music fake. It's a heartbeat song for soul to wake. One drop rhythm, lightning fire. Burn down lie, build truth higher. So light up the chalice.
Na na na, na na na. nation chant for change. No strange, we rise in Jah order true. Me and you, from Kingston straight to Accra town, we hold it down. From hills of Ethiopia high, bless Jah sky. Rasta people, one vibration, true nation. No border divide we soul, one goal. Me see the system crumble slow, them can't grow. We plant the seed of unity in the city. No politician can lead, only good deed. Rasta Nation rise, open eyes. Rasta Nation strong and free. Jah family, Rasta Nation, roots so deep, faith we keep. Me hear the jammers beating street, heartbeat. Every tone a revolution sound. Turn around. The youth them carry torch of fire, never tire. Rasta Nation build again from pain. Me see the queen wrap her crown, no back down. King and empress hand in hand across the land. We chant for justice true, for me and you. Rasta Nation lead the way, new day. No division, no hate, Rasta create. From Africa to world, flag unfurled. Rasta roots, eternal flame. Praise Jah name. Rasta Nation, strong and free. Jah family, Rasta Nation, strong and free. Jah family, Rasta Nation, roots so deep, faith we keep. Rasta Nation rise again, heal the pain. Rasta Nation chant the psalm, keep calm. So when the world lose direction, Rasta connection. One love foundation firm, Jah confirm.
Zion echoes, calling all in a the boobats. Yeah man. Jah Herb, Jah Love lift me soul so high. Ganja fire blazing reach up to the sky. Chant the psalm, the truth can't lie. With the rhythm of Jah, me not deny. Roll the manly strain, make the fire ignite. Inna the darkness, Jah bring the light. The herb, a power, the wicked can fight. Jah wisdom pure, it shining bright. Me sing for the sufferer, the broken chain. Reggae melody soothe the pain. From trench town struggles to Zion gain. The herb a make we spirits sustain. Pass the chalice, chant the holy word. The message of peace, let it be heard. Inna the ghetto where the youth them stirred. The ganja fire make the open furred. Jah Herb, Jah Love lift me soul so high. Ganja fire blazing reach up to the sky. Chant the psalm, the truth can't lie. With the rhythm of Jah, me not deny. Me see the tears in a mama's eye. The system cruel, them can't deny. The ganja garden and me reply. Selassie I guide me, just spirit high. Light up the sour diesel, the essence pure. Healing the nations, Jah Herb secure. The Babylon system can't obscure. With Jah in a me heart, me spirit sure. From the hilltop, the fire burn bright. The herb a make me vision insight. The rhythm a chant, me soul take flight. Selassie I bless me through the night. The herb a the healing, the love can end. Jah Jah guide, we make the spirit mend. With the reggae rhythm, The vibes transcend. One love, one herb, make the fire ascend. Jah Herb, Jah Love lift me soul so high. Ganja fire blazing reach up to the sky. Chant the psalm, the truth can't lie. With the rhythm of Jah, me not deny.